Hey, Cory Shepherd here with the Your Business, Your Wealth show, back with some more answers to your questions around the basics of finance. We've talked about stocks and bonds, and now some folks are asking, well, what is a mutual fund then? And a mutual fund is a investment that you buy that has a collection of stocks, bonds, and sometimes some other investments to make it easier for you to diversify your money. So picture baking a pie. But this isn't your standard pie recipe. This is a pie recipe with an ingredients list over 12,000 items long. And that would be a lot of work to go and gather all those ingredients and bake them together. And so a mutual fund company does the gathering and the baking for you so that you can come along and take a slice of their pie, as much or as little as you want. Now, it's not free for this service. Just like baking a pie is cheaper at home than going and buying a beautiful one out at a bakery, the mutual fund is charging you for the value of doing all this gathering and baking for you. It's a lot of work with over 12,000 ingredients. So they don't make you write a check though, or swipe your credit card. No, every year that you're in that mutual fund, every year, they subtract a certain percentage from the total value of the money that you have in that fund. Is that cost worth it? Well, totally depends on the mutual fund and what they're charging. They call that the expense ratio, by the way, and the goal is that you would be growing by more than the expense ratio, or definitely, your growth minus the expense ratio would leave you better off than you would be on your own. And that can be a big if. So that is what is a mutual fund. If you've got some more questions or you like this video, write a question below, share it with someone that you think would find this valuable. And this is Cory Shepherd for Your Business, Your Wealth, and we'll see you next time.